पर्यटन मळाचेर बेकायदेशीर व्यवसाय करपी व्यवसायिकां आड खर कारवाय जातली। व्यवसायाची नोंदणी पर्यटन खात्याकडेन करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान जायत्या वेळार सरकाराचो महसूल गळटा। जबाबदार पर्यटना सयत पर्यटन मळार काम करतले व्यवसायिकांनी लेगीत तांच्या व्यवसायाची रितसर नोंदणी करप गरजेचें, अशें मत पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी व्यक्त केलां।
whether it's the tourist or the stakeholder, both have to be responsible. So unfortunately जाता है. So we have been very clear that we will help you run businesses, but in a legal manner, not illegal. So ease of doing business करते हुए सुद्धा roughly about 45% or 50% of the registration of hotels increased in last 1 year. So if we were at 4,000, today we are at 6,000 hotels registered with Goa Tourism. This was not there before. This has come after the ease of doing business. Where we are saying तुम्ही येऊन रजिस्टर करा, पण करना जाल्यार आम्ही रेड मारली जाल्यार तुका फायनी बरी पडटली। दोन्ही वाटेन केला. So it done the pet and the pinch approach, and I think that approach is working. People are coming and registering. People who don't register and are found as illegal, I think hefty fines are being put on them, and they will be answerable to those fines.